this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your problem with Bluetooth and use a USB connection on your PlayStation 4. So if you are plugged in with a USB cable to your controller, you are still using Bluetooth as a connection method. You actually want to switch this in the settings. So on the home screen here, I'm going to go up to the top, go to Settings, then go on down to Devices, then go to Controllers, then here it is, right here, Communication Method. This setting is for the DualShock 4, specifically this series. You can choose whether the controller communicates with the PS4 using Bluetooth or USB cable. So select USB under here, and then you should be good to go. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.